Good day and welcome to the Mercedes W123 channel. On today's video I will show you how to replace the hood release handle. So now, of course, if yours is broken, you won't be able to open the bonnet. So what you'll do, look what I use. I use this it's to make brochette. Very nice. And because there's a hook here, I will simply take it from the inside and pull it. And that's it. Now I can open the bonnet. The part to be changed on the car is this. This is a genuine Mercedes part. As usual, I will place the part number on the video, so like that if you need to order one, well, you'll know which part to order, okay? This part fits Mercedes W123 and W201, okay? So this part actually is coming from another W123 that I've got. And on this car, we're gonna fit this part. So this one is a bit different. In shape it's the same. You see, it goes perfectly. The only difference is that this one is a bit curved, okay, the original one, and the other one is flat. But it fits perfectly, okay. So we're gonna mount it now and see the difference, okay. So now I will tell you where I got those parts from. Very often I tell people in my videos that if you want to help that channel, please do so, because obviously they help me with parts, stuff like that. And I've got Gerardo that helped me, but he didn't send me money, he sent me parts. So that's great. So I'll be able to make videos and we'll see how it goes, and I will help you guys as well. So that's brilliant. So he sent me this, okay, so we'll try it and see how it goes. But he does as well other things. For instance, he sent me this as well. So that part actually fit on the, you know, on your shifter, the wood that's on top, or sometimes plastic. Okay, when people try to remove it, they don't know about this and they usually break it. So instead of buying the entire panel, well, you replace this and it's done. Okay, so that's great. And I think the most important part are those ones. These, not sure if you can see it with my black t-shirt, these actually fit on the door. You know, when you close the door and it doesn't close properly, it's usually because of this that's worn out. Okay, I'll make a video on this. Okay, so he sent me quite a few of these. Then obviously I will replace them. I will show it to you guys, and I think personally it's much better to change this than to change the entire lock itself. Okay, so I think that's brilliant. So if you want to find that person, obviously because of the protection of names and stuff like that, obviously I won't say where he lives and stuff like that, obviously not. But if you want to search for him, you can go on to the platform. It's called Wallapop. I'll place it on the video, okay, and you will search for his username, and then you will see the items that he's got for sale. Okay, I'm not to make adverts or to promotionate whatever items, but I think that's quite important because that will help a lot of people, this, okay, and me to start with. Okay, so anyway, I'll stop with all this. Okay, now we're gonna fit this part. I will show you different mountings and off we go. Now, how we remove it and how we place it back? Well, very easy. Here we've got two clips that are different, but the two are Mercedes. The first one that you may have is this one. You simply press it lightly with the fingers, and as you can see, it comes out. Okay, in that way we can remove it and replace it. Now the other one is also Mercedes. It's a clip like that. You pull it with your fingers, it slides out like so, okay, and same thing, you remove the pin, place it back, move it back, done. Okay, so it's fitted, it works perfectly, so I can pull it, it's great. The only thing is, I've noticed now, because that car has a lot of issues, okay, is that when it's closed properly, it's very difficult for me to pull it. Has nothing to do with that, it has to do something with the cable. Okay, when you pull the handle in the car, there's an adjustment inside, just like for the W116, okay, and if it's too tight or too slack, too slack, you won't be able to open it, and too tight, then it's a nightmare. Okay, but it works, and I can open it. Okay, so anyway, I hope that you have liked the video, and stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next video. Take care, ciao.